Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Shopify app tracking integration, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall a Shopify app tracking integration, begin by logging into your Shopify admin account. Navigate to the Apps section on the left sidebar of the dashboard. Locate the tracking integration app you wish to uninstall. Click on the name of the app to open its settings. In the app settings, look for an option that says Delete or Uninstall. Click on the Delete or Uninstall button. A confirmation prompt may appear asking you to confirm your decision. Read the confirmation message carefully. If you're sure about uninstalling, confirm the action by clicking Delete or Uninstall again. Once confirmed, the app will be removed from your Shopify store. Next, check for any residual code that may have been added to your theme. To do this, navigate to Online Store in the left sidebar. Select Themes from the drop-down menu. Click on the Actions button next to your current theme. Choose Edit Code from the options provided. In the code editor, look for sections that may mention the tracking integration app. Common places to check include header, footer, and script files. If you find any tracking scripts related to the app, delete those lines of code. After editing, always save your changes. Finally, clear your browser cache to ensure that all changes are applied correctly. Check your store's functionality to confirm that the app integration has been completely uninstalled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.